Today we're on the 30-inch sewer force main project in Paris, Texas. Our contractor, Wicker Construction, and our distributor, Hayes Pipe and Supply, is the supplier for this project. There's multiple different pipelines in here. Probably originally installed in '71, it had concrete pipe in as a gravity line. Then there's some ductile iron pipe as the sewer line itself. Over time, the sewer has degraded the line and created areas where they've had to fix it.
So this is the third pipe that's going in on this route. Part of this project is they moved the lift station to a different location. So instead of being gravity for say 2 miles and 1 mile of force main, now it's more like 3 miles of force main. So the pipe that's in the ground now probably would not be pressure rated.
In sewer force main applications, that's one of the most aggressive medias that we deal with in the waterworks industry. That sewer is very corrosive and will eat most materials, whether it be concrete, unlined, ductile. Those materials will deteriorate over time. Dealing with these contractors, they're doing a lot of point repairs and fixing this for the municipalities.
One of the lines that was originally used for this project, it was concrete, it's heavy, it's very difficult to work with. You can't cut it anywhere. PVC, this pipe, you can cut it anywhere you need to, add a fitting. You know, the heavier the pipe dictates the size equipment that we have to have. I can install PVC pipe over concrete or ductile iron with smaller equipment, which is cost efficient for me.
Dealing with the contractor, I know ahead of time that there's having issues on site of the previous product, and eventually that municipality will have to start replacing it. With PVC in the sewer force main application, minimum 100-year lifespan. We don't worry about corrosion. We don't worry about those issues that you do with other materials.
Mark Montgomery and I have sold several large projects over the last 15, 20 years. They've turned out very well. Wicker Construction has done several of them.
One of the things that I think that sets us apart as Westlake Pipe and Fittings, we're not only there as we bid the job, we're there to service it as we get the order and also to service it all the way through the job until it's completed. Any questions come up, we're there with field support as well as engineering support from our technical team. We are there for the customer as well as the distributor, but also for the contractor and the municipality.
Well, it's very important to us to have someone like Westlake Pipe and Fittings. You know, when we place our orders, the size of these jobs and projects that we do, you know, the dependability of getting that pipe and knowing that that pipe is going to withstand the test of the